Good day. How are we all doing? Welcome back to Sol's Vlogs. We have had a little time off after the holiday of doing niche. We're locking in. If you've seen the Instagram, you've seen I'm locking in. We're going to the gym. Gym starts today. All I need to do before we go to the gym is change my bed. So I'm going to do that now. Then we're going to have some breakfast. We're going to plan our workout because I've not been in a while. Sorry, I had a hair. Yeah, we need to plan our workout. I'm going to go and try a gym near work because I'm going to have to be going in the mornings because I don't want to go after I finish work at 6:30. That sounds like boo! Look at the lovely sun. Lovely. Have some breakfast in a minute as well. So yeah, just thought I'd inform you of what's occurring right now. Oh, I just banged my thumb. Ow! 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 Oh, I just really did that. We are back from the gym. I really like it. It's a bit small. There's only one dumbbell rack. But the time I'm going, at like 6:30 in the morning, I asked one of the guys who runs it, he was like, yeah, there's probably like 5 people here. It'll be fine, you know what I mean? But I'm going to try it tomorrow morning before work, see how the shower is at work, because it's not great. And then we'll go from there. So I believe it's now lunchtime. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing to report. I am cleaning the flat. Not much fun stuff to show you when I'm doing that. Doesn't even look like it. God. I'm not doing it for you, I'm doing it for me. What a miserable day. I'm trying not to dox myself and let people know where I live. Oh no. All 40 of you. Someone's walking past outside. This is on the windowsill. This had flowers in it, so I should probably tip that away before I drink it. Right. Now we're going to iron some shirts for work. Decided to go on a little walk. Because other than the gym, I've not really been outside today. Walking into the wind. It's always windy. Don't know why. But yeah, I've had a really productive day, which has been really nice and refreshing. Been to the gym. Kind of locked in with the gym now, I think, like which one I'm going to. The showering arrangement, I'm not sure about. They've not got showers at the minute. So I'm going to have to shower at work, and I'm going to bring you and fucking film it because I'm showing you the shower. We're doing that tomorrow. So going another day pass tomorrow for £8.50. Horror show, I know. Go. Why is my watch dinging so much? This is crazy. Yeah, go and try it, see how it is. If I don't mind doing it too much, I'll stick there because they are planning to. Oh, it's probably bare windy for you. They're probably gonna. They've said they're getting the unit next door and expanding, so they will be getting some facilities. I don't know how soon. Ooh. I'm turn around because this is ridiculous. I don't need this kind of wind. Oh. I need a haircut. This is major haircut. Which is so long again. Anyway. So yeah. 6:15 wake up. I need to go and pack my gym bag. Oh, got so much to do still. I've had a productive day as well. But if I keep doing it, like, I'll get better and quicker. Just waffling bear. Anyway, or home. Hopefully I haven't doxed myself too much. You don't know where I live now. Speech in a bit. I'm gonna have a shower. Where are we going?
Birmingham.
Birmingham. You're not coming in here. What are we gonna do?
Tell you this later when I'm on the floor.
Yeah, you remember when you said you're going to be slightly sensible?
Look at my bruise. Chat. I don't know what I did. No, you can't see it. Oh.
You can do that.
I bit my tongue this week.
What'd you bite it on? But what were you eating?
Bagel. Am I right, bagel?
Healthy breakfast
It was
choice.
so yummy.
Brian. So let me explain what we're actually doing here. So just seen us on the train. We're in Birmingham for my mate's 24th birthday. We're going to Revolution de Cuba's to have a bottomless brunch. So this could get messy. I just walked through someone's smoke, that was grim. Oh, that was really bad. Yeah, here's the fit, leather jacket, nice t-shirt. I got changed at work so everyone saw what I was wearing and I was really embarrassed. I don't really know the way. I think it's up there. I'm a little bit behind everyone. So I had to go nip to the toilet before I left. Oh, that's mixed up. So I will try and keep you updated with how the evening is going. However, there is potential that I will be a few beers deep. I'm gonna burp now, sorry. Might be a few beers deep and forget, effectively, but we shall see. I wish the sun was out. The sun was out in Loughborough. It's really dark. But yeah. Or it's just moaning. Okay, twin. I think it's up there where all the people are. God damn it. I only had my lunch like 2 hours ago. I can't finish the chips.
Hello. Come round.
Let's see the tea.
Look, I bit my tongue.
Cheers, mate. Down it! Goodbye! That's about it, yeah. Wrap round my finger. I might have had a few drinks. looking forward to the morning.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryan. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
So I did a survey of the experience for a free shot. Problem is, it smells like the toilet cleaner. It tastes like toilet cleaner.
That was quite a long time to take a shot. I really feel bad.
Oh man, so I don't know what you're looking for. They're butchering the song. They're butchering it. So we've just left Rev's. We're going to some cocktail bar. I got no idea where. Where are we going?
I don't know.
You don't know either. We're just perusing the streets of Birmingham. We're going here apparently. I would have just gone. Right, we're going here. The Cocktail Club Birmingham. You're not coming in here.
What the hell? That's so idiot.
Yeah, I don't trust girls.
Just booked us an Uber home. We're all gonna split it, but it is £73. I need to make sure I get that money. I ain't got that kind of bread right now. Fuck yeah, now. Hi guys, we're back. Oh, just wanted to come on and say hello after the antics last night. Got me dinner, yum yum, and I've also, even though shattered, I've meal prepped. Fridge is not looking very full right now. They didn't have any cottage cheese, so I couldn't get my 10 for the week, so I'm going to have to get them tomorrow at work, because there's a Aldi opposite. Very tired. Probably going to have my dinner and then think about brushing my teeth and getting into bed. I'm not going to lie. Cream crackered. Got a little short day tomorrow at work, as we know. Mondays and then Tuesday off, which should be swell. Probably gonna call it there for this, because I'm just, yeah, shattered. See you tomorrow. I will be active. It's Monday. We're back from work. Hope y'all doing great. I had a good day ish. If you're looking to go and buy some cottage cheese in my local area, don't bother. I bought all of it. It's mine. Anyway, I didn't do all my washing up yesterday when I cooked because I was so tired. So that is the first job. Actually, no, first job is taking this off and putting my shirts on to wash so I can iron them tomorrow. Let me go do that. Hold tight. Oh, that's bright. Flashbang. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't film much because I didn't do much. I'm going to bed. It's 10:15. Still feeling the effects of the weekend. I'm not a young man anymore. I can't be doing this drinking stuff. I think that's better. Got a haircut tomorrow. Gym. Admin. But I'll bring you along for the ride. Going to bed with wet hair is always a risk, by the way. Could wake up looking like an absolute diva. Or a schmegalodon. Let's hope it's not the second. What the fuck? Good morning, gang. Oh, it's sunny. Excellent. Right, I need to go and sort my barnet out before I go to the gym, because I can't go to the gym looking like this, and then we've got our haircut. So let's go sort this out. Oh, I have to get so much length cut off of this. What the fuck is this? Bruv, you're meant to be like... Get off! Get off! Get off! Okay, so it's official. Where I've moved to has got worse traffic than Spalding. Now, I thought Spalding had the worst traffic in known history. Apparently not. I left my house 20 minutes ago. It's a 9-minute journey to the gym. Ah! Do you reckon bro knows his door is wonky? I don't know if you can see that. It's a wonky door. Weird. Workout done. Time to go and get my hair cut. It's very needed, I think. And sometimes it looks good, sometimes it looks shit. I want it to look good all the time. That's what we're gonna go and do. Cool transfer, cool edit coming. 360 of the hair. This is what we look like before we go in. See you after. Whoa, we're home already. Here's the trim. It's a lot shorter than I'm used to. Just needs getting used to, I guess. What's going on? Oh, see, this is the... whatever. What's going on, guys? It fucking reeks outside. I think there's a fire somewhere, but we're gonna go for a walk anyway, because I've not really been outside, and it's my day off. And... yeah, just want to get some fresh air. Oh, I could not get my shoe on then. Life nor money. Don't know where we're gonna go. Just gonna wing it and figure it out, I think. I'll be back in a minute. I think we found the source. That's a bit weird, isn't it? Someone's having a bonfire in their garden or something. Absolutely reeks. Yeah, it is actually just someone having a fire. Not gonna lie, that's pretty inconsiderate. Because it absolutely reeks. Stinking out the gaff as well. Rude. Oh snap. The police have stopped. They're gonna get him. They're gonna get him. Yeah, pulling into the driveway. God damn, police got you, bitch. Don't be setting no fires around here. Silly boy. I'm gonna go down this little, I've not been down here before. This would be nice on my bike, but my tyres are flat, so I need a pump. But I'm not about to buy a pump. Is this a public footpath? Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'm not about to buy a pump, so I'm just gonna get my dad to bring one up next weekend when my parents come up. But this should take us, like, basically to where the fire is as well, I think. So this will be pretty cool. Yeah, this will be really nice on my bike. Maybe in the next, well, not in the next vlog, because I don't know what I'm saying. It's either this weekend or this weekend coming on next weekend. Oh, there's obviously archery in there. God damn. Maybe we need to get out on some archery. I mean, I'm not very good at shooting on games, but maybe in real life, with a little bow in my hand, could be an absolute menace. Who knows? This would be lovely in the summer though. It's a bit cold now, I'm not gonna lie. It looks lovely outside, but it's deceptive. I'm a little bit chilly. So this will be mint in the summer. Yeah. Let me just pan the camera around for you, just to show you this view. Nuts. I mean, come on. I've been walking for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes at max. We're in the fields. They're definitely, I can see the fire over there. The police are looking at it. That's mental. Bro just thought, yeah, I'll just start a fire. No worries. What the hell is that? What is that? Bro, what? What is that? I'm in the middle. What is that? Middle of nowhere. What? I ain't no water fountain. Okay. Oh, it's bubbling. What the hell? There's a lake through there. Maybe you can see that. There's a lake. I don't know how you get in because it's like proper fenced off. Sounds like there's a plane. There's one right up there, but it's not that. Crazy. Yeah, I don't know how you get into that lake. Because that'd be proper scenic. I wonder if they allow swimming in the summer. That'd be quite nice. A little lake across the road. You can go swimming in the old hot months. Oh, it's getting a bit muddy now. I don't really know where I'm going. I came off the track that I was walking on. Because I was bored of walking along the track and I saw a little bridge and I was like, ooh, let's try that. But it just seems to be getting thicker and thicker. So I might just be going nowhere. It might just come to a dead end. I don't have my dinner yet either, and it's 7:20. And if you know me, I'm a hungry boy. So I might just go home soon. I'm intrigued where this goes. Man, I wish I had my bike, because you can just cover so much more ground. So much quicker. Figure out what all these tracks are. This is quite nice. There's not really anywhere to sit though, that's the thing. Ooh, stinging nettles. If there was somewhere to sit along here in the summer, it'd be lovely. Have a little walk, have a little picnic. It's probably a train line actually as opposed to a plane. It would make more sense, I guess. I'm right in the sticks now though. I mean, look at this. I just saw a dog. I hope not. Oh look, there's pheasants over there. I don't know if you can see them because it's on wide. There's 2 pheasants. Very cute. How far do I go down here before I think, not going anywhere. Well, the fence is turning. I think the fence surrounds the lake and the path doesn't seem to be turning. I know there's a track somewhere to Barrow now. I'm wondering if it's this one. I was going to end up in bloody Barrow upon Saw. I have to go knock on my mate's door and be like, "Can you give me a lift back?" Yeah, this just carries on going. Might be time to turn around. That lake is so lovely though. I want to go and get over there. That'd be so cool. Sit by the lake, bring a couple of beers down. Oof. Don't tempt me with a good time. No, let's carry on. Let's continue. It's probably not been the best for the bike because whoa, there are a few fallen trees. I mean, that's a big old tree. Jesus. I'm just gonna. Oh, there's another. See, that's what I crossed over earlier. One of these. Oh, that looks. Oh, that's muddy. Nah, we'll turn around. We've come as far as we can go. We'll go back and then we'll turn right instead of left and see where that goes, because there was a sign when I was looking for the footpath sign. It said Grand Canal. Would like to see the Grand Canal. I'm not imagining it's that little piece of stream over there. That's not a Grand Canal. I need a big canal to satisfy my needs. Right, let me cut all the way back down here, and then we'll see where this Grand Canal is. So I've walked up the path. It was a bit boggy. I was on the phone to me nan, so I couldn't vlog it. But look at this. How lovely. So I think I found a little spot for the summer. Come on, have some lunch down here. Right. It's 20 to 8, so I think it's time to make our way back because I'm getting very hungry. And I'll make sure I film the path because it's very boggy. Sorry, there's a weird guy still on the bridge, so I had to pause. Yeah, coming down here, there's quite a few big muddy puddles that we have to traverse. But look at that sunset. Golden hour. Stop! Stop that. Lovely. Here's the first one. This is the smallest of them. And that bit's dry, so that's right. But yeah, there are a few that I had to. Whoop, there's another one. Yeah. Get my hops on. For stupidly enough, I wore white shoes. Going somewhere you don't know, so let's wear white. Idiot. Anyway. Yeah, it's like this. But luckily there's a nice log here to just whoop, 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 pop across. Whoa, a bit overgrown. I'm not sure what I'd do if I bought my bike. We'll figure that out. This one, yeah, see, that is wet to like there. So on the way here I just jumped the log and stepped off, but be interesting going back. Right. Oh, cooked. Anyway, just while I'm built like Michael B. Jordan, I've got hops on me. Wait, no, that's the actor. I meant Michael Jordan. What the idiot? Yeah, this one was a bit sketch because I kind of went along there and I grabbed the tree, but there's no tree to hold it. Okay, it just died on me while I was in this position, but it didn't die because it's got 44%. It just turned off. Ooh, woo, woo, woo. There we go. That's the first time I've actually tested it. When it dies, is it actually dead or is it just saying it's dead? It seems like it. Oh, so I wasn't concentrating. It seems okay. So I think it just turns off Oh, I've been covering the mic. I think it just turns off and then you just turn it back on and it's fine. It's on 44%. But every time it's done that in the past, I've just swapped the battery. Maybe I didn't need to. Oh, how did I get around this last time? Oh, right round. I've come to. Oh, fuck it. Stick to the long grass, maybe? Yeah, we're cooking. We're cooking on gas. We're cooking on gas. But I'll be doing this again. Lovely. So it's home. Time for some dinner. I don't know what we're doing in the evening. My mate that I normally play Ark Raiders with is away at his girlfriend's, so I'll probably watch some TV, get all comfy, and then have an early night because it's gym tomorrow. Got back day, back and buys, full work. I need to pack my gym bag as well, actually. There's lots of flies. I don't want to inhale them, but talking and not inhaling is not the easiest. I think I've probably eaten a couple. Extra protein. How do I log that on my Fitness Pal? To be fair, I could probably do it going on some runs as well. I'm unfit as balls. To be fair, I have actually, so this is, oh no, my AirPod. Don't want to drop it on the floor, dirty. So, I have actually inquired at the local hockey club as well, because I'd like to go back to hockey. I think that's a Tuesday night, so it would be tonight, but they haven't come back to me yet, because I've asked for like price list and all that, because I won't be able to play the games, because I obviously work Saturdays, but I can still go down and train, hopefully, which will be good for fitness, be good for socialising. And now we're coming into the summer as well, like the training all changed, like well, it did at home anyway. We didn't do normal training, we did like summer sixes or like five-a-side, like little games, which will be really good fun. So I'm hoping they come back to me, but we'll have to see. If not, I'll have to do some probably Facebook stalking and find someone that goes there and message them and be like, hello, I would like to join. But hopefully it doesn't get to that point. Oh, my shoelace is undone. You can sit. Thought someone was running up on me then. Got all scared. Ooh, shiver me timbers. I'm just gonna shut up and let you watch. I mean, come on. Doesn't get much nicer than that. Birds chirping. Sun setting. Video uploading. Taking forever. Probably not the best place to do it. Oh, that fire is really kicking off now. That's going to be going all night. I don't even know if you can see that on the camera. Probably just about to see the smoke, but yeah, that's burning. House is going to stink of smoke. Shut all the windows as well, still coming in. It just shows what great quality windows I have. Hung about. Excuse me. Hi. Who are you? Hello. Hi. Oh, you're pretty, aren't you? Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm going to take you home. Oh, very pretty. Oh, very pretty. Oh, such a pretty one. Yeah, very furry, aren't you? Bloody hell. Furball. You gonna leave me to your house now? Oh, no. Oh. Hi. 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 Just left the cat. Did it again. The old turn off thing. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, you died again. But it's fine. I'm home now. Gonna get dinner on. Can't tell if it smells of smoke in here or if I smell of smoke. Like you can see it. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can see it. How rude and inconsiderate of him. I'm just playing twin. Oh, there, a little voice crack there. What rice do we fancy? What do you reckon? I've got sriracha. I've got piri piri. I've got sticky. I'm gonna go with the sriracha. I think it's gonna be warm though. As in hot. Yeah. 2 chilies. The piri piri rice doesn't have any chilies and that's a little bit warm. So that's actually gonna go back. I regret my choice. I'm going with piri piri. I want to be able to eat it. I'm flipping starving. I need to wolf it down. Anyway. I'm gonna go and have my dinner now. Bye. Right, ladies and gents, we're gonna leave it there for this vlog because it's Tuesday, it's still my day off, and I want to get it edited and posted for tomorrow. Because I don't want a lot of time to do it else, and it's already been like 12 days since the last one, so we're gonna flip and wrap this bitch up! If you have enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. I'll probably start that tomorrow, but who knows? See you in a bit.